Namaste to all. I am Dr. NBR Srikanth from Rajahmundry, Andhra Pradesh. I entered Shekhar Sir's SALT webinar, and this webinar was really a blessing for me. My entire understanding of mineral kingdom, especially these salts, was so much personified. Sir explained it in a pinpoint way. Such a beautiful explanation, such an elegant way of telling the salts, such an illustrative explanation about each and every salt. And it's really a privilege to attend this webinar, and especially as I am practicing from a long time. So the biggest takeaway from this salt webinar is that after attending this webinar, many salts I usually missed during my previous interviews in the cases. Now I began to give them from this perspective, from this understanding, and when they come back giving the feedback, it was really so much a beautiful experience to me, that when they are saying, now sir, I am getting little bit better with this remedy. So the entire credit, the entire it goes to Shekhar sir, because he illustrated these in that way that it penetrates into each and every person's understanding. So when a person gets a huge benefit from this type of explanation, which is very much needed in our homeopathic fraternity. So definitely there are more and more homeopathic doctors evaluating from each and every corner of the country. So the entire team, SWARA team, the way they planned the strategy, the discipline, it's really a blissful experience for me to attend this SALT webinar. I hope more and more such type of webinar comes from the mouth of Shekhar sir, so that we are enlightened in the divine blessing of homeopathy, the divine goddess and goddesses of homeopathy. So thank you is a small word for you, sir, but that is the most appropriate word we can say. And namaskarams to your lotus feet, Shekhar sir. Thank you so much.